Hi, I'm Chris Wright. I'm the Vice President of Business Development for TASCAM in Europe. And I'm here at ISE 2020 with the first interview of the day. And I'm going to talk to you about our brand new TASCAM BD-MP1 Blu-Ray player, media player, that was just launched for just ahead of this show. It's not the first TASCAM video player that we've had. We've had DVD players. We had an earlier model, the BD-01U. But this product is brand new. It has a full range of professional connections, control from RS-232 or from Telnet over a network connection. It has features such as auto start, so it power up and it plays directly. It can play from USB media, so connected media, in all kinds of formats. It has an SD card in the front, USB connection in the front. It's got various features like auto loop and things like that you can have. And plays, of course, DVD and Blu-ray. And it's a pro player with lots of good connections, great quality video, surround outputs for audio, balanced XLRs for stereo output. This is available, it's fully shipping. And it goes together, of course, with other video products we've got, such as our video streaming products, other audio products, such as our zone mixers and matrix mixers are all compatible audio-wise and now video-wise. So, thank you very much. The TASCAM BD-MP1.